worry whether or not you would love me if I just started packing, baby, wait on my body, 'cause you are the American dream, man. Your love is stronger than your need for unrealistic demands. But that's not the end of his good deed. He always smells good like they all should. Keeps his clothes folded up in a drawer. Comes up behind me, kisses my neck as he starts sweeping the floor. Because he is the ultimate clean man. Come on and feast your eyes on this here dying great man. Hands in your pockets, 'cause this one's mine. And did I forget to mention that he instinctively knows just where to be? Focusing energies, ladies, if you know what I mean. Shall we raise up our glasses? Here's to all my dreams come true in the form of an American man. He's got a lot of manly man things, to be sure. He brings them all to the table along with gourmet dishes. Whatever my wish is that day, he makes it happen, 'cause he is the American dream man. Come on and pinch your side to see if maybe you're dreaming. 'Cause I have to do it all the time. Just try to find another one that you ever held up a time until we have a son. No kidding, but allow me to boast as we race for a toast now. Here's to all my dreams come true in the form of an American man. If you know what I mean, shall we raise up our glasses? Here's to what my friends refer to as a bonus. We're talking grades over bone, and his shoulders are plenty wide enough to lean on. And upstairs he's got it going on.